Hello, I'm Andrea, a third-year PhD student from the Department of Geosciences in Padua. And here there are the results of our latest paper published in Earth and Planetary Science Letters in March. Basically, in this study, we propose a comprehensive model for the formation of the camp. Here we used geochemical data from the camp, and we use them in a geochemical model to understand some kind of features, for example, pressure and temperature of melting of the mantle source, and also the thickness of the lithosphere at the moment of the partial melting of the mantle. The main result that we obtain is that throughout the camp, the lithosphere at the moment of its emplacement was about 80 kilometers in thickness. This result is quite new for the camp because it's the first time that we actually can model such a number, but it's not entirely surprising for other large igneous provinces. Our result is therefore important for the camp, and it is also more important when we compare the position of the camp magmas to the architecture and the structure of the cratons that were present at that time. So basically, from these tomographic studies that were published before from other research groups, we can see that the position of the camp magmas coincides with the borders of these cratons, and these bring us to our model for the camp. So basically, the cratons acted like physical barriers for the emplacement of the camp magmas, and in particular, the convective mantle rised along the border of the cratons and then underwent partial melting when under a lithosphere of 80 kilometers, more or less. Another result that we obtain for the camp magmas is that the temperature for most of the magmas is between 1,400 degrees and 1,460 degrees. But we verify that there is one geochemical group of the camp, which is the high T group, the high titanium basalts, that require a slightly higher temperature. And this may be the proof of a mantle plume that somehow participated in the formation of the camp magmas.